Welcome back to part 3 of how I ranked a website locally in under 3 months. What's up guys, I'm JMac the SEO, coming back at you with another video. And in today's video, which is part 3 of our 9-step series of how to get a website to rank, we will be covering the site layout, also known as the sitemap, and effective web design, and how to arrange your content effectively to rank. As you can see here, this is the website, Pretoria Plumbers, the experiment I'm doing. A plumbing website, not paid for, no nothing, not a client. I don't know anything about plumbing, to be very honest with you. So if we come here and we type in Pretoria Plumber, we are ranking on the first page. Nothing too crazy, but if you can see right here, we are on the first page for Pretoria Plumber. And if we type in Pretoria Plumbers, we are also on the first page. So that's relatively quite good results for about 3 months in. I haven't even began to optimize social, or I haven't even got our GMB not accredited, verified yet. So the goal eventually would be to be ranking here in these top positions and be ranking in the GMBs to get those sweet leads for I don't know what reason. My goal would be to sell this website eventually, hopefully to a plumber, or never know, a career change might be in the cards for me. If you guys are keen to learn how I did this and follow along, I've actually got the templates and a whole bunch of other cool tools here that will show you how I did it, what tools I used, and technical SEO, a whole bunch of stuff. So if you look here in this template here, these are the steps if you want to follow along. This would be the effective sitemap I would recommend for a relatively large company wanting to rank. But yeah, if you want this, drop me a click below on the link. I'll get it to you totally free of charge. And yeah, so let's get into it. So let's head over to Pretoria Plumbers. This is the website I've got up and running now. Get this a bit smaller. My big head in the way. So straight off the bat, I'm going to talk about web design here first. So I'm not going to be going into WordPress and how to do it and blah 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 blah. I will tell you guys I used Divi and I used WordPress. Divi is basically a template builder that makes it a bit easier. It's not the best for SEO, but it's alright, it gets the job done. And then I got someone just to touch it up for me. So relatively cheap. Yeah, so I'm going to be covering the aspects of what actually got this website to rank from a design point of view. So straight off the bat here, you'll see we have a bit of branding. Top left hand corner, not so important. Then over here we have on the right hand side here, we have the home, our menu, our services, little drop down thing here, about and contact us. So one of the most important things straight off the bat, this is an exact brand match, meaning the name of our company, because this was quite a competitive niche, I needed some help. The name of our company is the search term. It's a big advantage on Google. Pretoria Plumbers is in an H1 tag, front and center, homepage. That's what I'm trying to rank for. That's what we're going to do. Google will actually scrape this website and H1 and H2 tags. Most important thing, Google sees that. We in business. All right, cool. So we got Pretoria Plumbers at the top. If your business is not an exact brand match, which basically means, let's say your business's name is Spanner, but you are a car mechanic. You can have your brand there, by all means, have the brand there. But I would always advise that you put the main words you're trying to rank for in the H1 tags or the H2 tags immediately so Google sees that. All right, enough with that. You'll see right under our H1 tag, I have a request quote, request a free quote. It's a call to action. So the tip here would be to have your call to action above the fold. The fold meaning above where the screen ends here at the bottom. So if we were to click on that, this lovely little form pops up. That gets us those sweet leads. If you look here, I haven't even put in a legitimate number yet, which is actually quite cool because we still have a lot to do with the site from an SEO point of view. In the previous video, I told you guys to get your content ready, and I asked for you guys to have your 6 services or main products that you'll be wanting to rank for. So as you can see here, front and center, H2 tag, so Google reads it. Services. So far, Google has crawled and seen Pretoria Plumber requests a free quote, services. All right, cool. So Google's thinking these guys are offering, so Google knows already these guys are offering services, they're ready to go. What services are they offering? Here, H3 tags. These headings need to be in H3 tags. Very important, very, very important. So this is where you want to put little blurbs of your content in, a little bit of your description. So as you can see, I had content done for new house installations, bathrooms, maintenance repairs, leak detection, block drains, and emergency plumbing services. Important things that generate sweet leads from the research I've done from my 3-month plumbing expedition. And then at the bottom here, I have another call to action form for those people that are a bit slow at the top. All right, cool. So you want to have a little bit of writing, copy over here underneath. Nothing too technical, as long as these H3 or H2 headings are good. So let's go check out my new home house installations. This is where you would paste the copy of each bit of your content once you've got it done. As you can see here, new home plumbing installation in Pretoria. Guys, the point I'm trying to drive home here is that fancy websites don't necessarily rank. Look here, there's no nice fancy pictures here. There's a bit of nice design and stuff like that, but not really. Front and center, new home plumbing installation in Pretoria. Keywords. Key words here. Then underneath that main heading, we have a new home installation service again. This could even say plumbing service if we really wanted to get those keywords in there. And then it would just be your copy that you got back from your content writer. Make sure to include the words Pretoria Plumbing or your business and some services you do. I'm not telling you guys to keyword stuff. I know a lot of SEOs are watching us going, oh, this guy's just keyword stuffing. I'm not. You just want to make sure your keywords are in your copy naturally. Don't stuff them into sentences where it won't make sense. You will get penalized by Google. Then I have a little splash here. Pretoria plumbers are specialists in the area and are always ready to collaborate with your builder to ensure that your home and as well as your plumbing solutions are built to last. Yeah. Then I go into a bit more about rubbish, blah, 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 not important. Form at the bottom to fill out. And as you guys can see here, important, call to action at the top. Then I also have an about page that I haven't even added content to yet because I have no idea. The contact page goes straight to a request a form. So if you guys see here, I'm actually trying to push, if you look on all my pages here, I'm trying my best to push everyone and everything to this sweet contact form where the lead is generated. Now, I haven't set up a Salesforce for this, but I highly recommend having a call button there as well. Boom, we in business. Hello, how can I help you? Your pipes burst. Cool, let's get it fixed. Joking, I don't know how to do that. If you guys grab my Lead Generation SEO templates, link in the description, you would see that I put in a sitemap structure here for one of my clients I'm busy doing some work for at the moment. So this would be for quite a large site. However, for Pretoria plumbers, I kept it quite basic, and I'd recommend you guys too for a small local business just trying to target a relative small area or city. If we go here to Pretoria plumbers, we have Pretoria plumbers, and then we have all our services. So in the previous parts, I told you guys to get keywords. This is where those keywords would also come in use. We go pretoriaplumbers.com/services. Hi Google, we're a service company. New home plumbing installations. That's what I hit it with. I haven't ranked for that yet. From the research I've done, I've ranked for, I think it is burst pipes or block drains. So if we go into another one here, services blocked drains. But I've put it all in here. This is an example I've given of another website I've built. wedesignplace.com/about/contact, locations. If you're a location-based business, that's why I put it in here as well. Services/services, name of service 1, name of service 2, etc., etc., and then a blog. That's for other businesses. You guys can see and do what you need to do over there, but that's the most important thing, I believe. /services/keywords. So guys, that was just a quick video. I'd really urge you guys to head on over and grab my template. Join my Facebook group. I'm looking at starting a Facebook group. I'll probably be putting that in the description. I honestly have a passion for seeing businesses succeed online and coming to life online. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a subscribe, and I'll see you soon.